Sometimes PayPal displays the something went wrong error because your account is on hold due to suspicious activity or needs verification. Let's explore how to check and resolve this. Account holds happen when PayPal flags suspicious activity, like unusual transactions or security concerns. Incomplete verification means you haven't provided all required information, such as identity documents or bank details. First, log into your PayPal account through the website or app. Make sure you're using your correct credentials. Once logged in, look for any notifications or messages in your account dashboard. These will indicate if there's a hold or what verification is needed. Address any requests for information immediately. This might include uploading documents, confirming bank details, or responding to security questions. Once resolved, your account should return to normal. Remember, addressing these issues promptly is crucial to restoring full access to your PayPal account and resolving the error. If none of the above steps work, it's time to contact PayPal support. You can reach them through their 24/7 chat or phone support. Provide them with detailed information about the error and the steps you've already taken. The 2025 holiday outage serves as a critical case study in payment platform reliability. During December 2025, a massive surge in PayPal transactions overwhelmed the servers, causing a 4-hour outage that affected 10 million users worldwide. Users encountered the familiar "something went wrong" error message as the system struggled under the unprecedented transaction volume during peak holiday shopping. The outage resulted in an estimated $1 billion in delayed transactions, highlighting the significant economic impact of such system failures. Affected users were able to resolve issues by switching to PayPal's backup payment gateway, demonstrating the value of having redundant systems in place. PayPal responded by providing fee waivers to compensate affected merchants, acknowledging the disruption caused to their business operations. This incident underscores the critical importance of having backup payment options and robust infrastructure to handle peak demand periods. According to a 2025 Statista study, 22% of global payment failures are due to user errors. PayPal-specific data shows that 15% of errors are attributed to problems with the mobile app. To minimize these issues, keep the PayPal app updated. Looking ahead to the future, PayPal is investing heavily in predictive analytics to eliminate generic errors by 2028. This technology will proactively alert users to potential issues through push notifications and other smart alerts. Experts predict a 50% drop in user-reported errors, thanks to advancements like quantum-resistant encryption that mitigate DDoS risks and strengthen overall security. This proactive approach, combined with growing e-commerce demands, promises a more seamless and reliable payment experience for users worldwide.